So you're a brand new streamer and you have some turd come in and try to ruin your chat. We're gonna get it. Wait, what? What? This sounds like a very simple problem for most of us experienced Twitch streamers and mods, but even the most seasoned streamers, twitch.tv/MassiveDerek, might not be aware of some of these new features. What do you do? What can you do? I'm gonna walk you through how to ban someone from your Twitch chat, plus a couple extra features. One of them, which is new on Twitch. So first off, who can ban someone? The broadcaster, so you, the streamer, and your moderators can ban people, and that's it. It's that easy. There's also a bunch of different Twitch roles that can be assigned to your viewers, but we'll go into detail on that on my next video. So, turd appears, continues to turd. How do you flush them? We're gonna ban this Yahoo, and there are 3 simple ways to do it. The first one is probably the easiest way to do it, in my opinion. You literally just type ban, and then you @ the name, enter. Easy as that. So the second easiest way to do it, if you're a mouse user, is to click the person's name and then hit this little hammer right here, and that'll ban them from chat. A third way to do it is from inside of OBS, which if you're using OBS, you have the chat overlay up here. It's the same thing. You just click on their name, and then you click this little icon right here to ban them. Really that easy. So sometimes these turds are just testing the waters. Maybe you don't think they really need to be permanently banned from your chat. In that case, we have another tool that can help us moderate our channel called Timeout.
Go back in there.
This will prevent them from interacting with your chat for a set duration of time that you get to pick.
No.
So if this person's really being a total turd and you want to time them out, say for 10 minutes, there's a couple ways you can do that as well. You can type /timeout, then we go @ the user, 600 seconds. Now you can see that all of their messages went gray because I'm the broadcaster, so I can see that. Chat will see it publicly as their message is being deleted. But it looks like on his end, I'll display right here. So if it's been a while and you think they've learned their lesson, but it hasn't quite been 10 minutes yet, it's very easy to bring them back. You just do /untimeout and then their name, just like that. Now, in the same fashion as banning somebody, you can also time them out by clicking on their name either in your Twitch chat or in OBS. In Twitch, it gives you a bunch of preset settings here, so you could time them out for 2 weeks if you really wanted to, which is fantastic. To show you how to do it inside of OBS, there's this little clock right here. When you click their name in chat, you select that, defaults to 10 minutes. So the way to time somebody out with the most control from your end as the streamer or from your moderator's end, in my opinion, is to type /timeout @ the user's name and then type in the amount of seconds that you want them to be timed out. That seems to be the most thorough and effective way to do it. So if you feel like maybe you've jumped the gun and banned somebody preemptively that likely should have just deserved a timeout, if anything, you can always do /unban, type in their username, and hit enter, and then they will become unbanned from the chat. So if you like playing jokes and you like banning people who happen to be your VIPs, once you unban them, you're gonna have to reassign their VIP role. Again, I'll go into the different roles that Twitch offers viewers to feel special about themselves in the next video. So this is a new feature. Let's say this turd is a full-blown stinker. And not only do you want to ban him, but you also want him to not be able to see your stream at all. He's banned from chat right now. I'll post a screenshot of what that looks like on his end. So this is going to get into a new feature that was recently implemented by Twitch called Stopped Ban Users from Viewing, which is pretty awesome if you got a real big turd in your chat.
That's not my name.
So this feature has to be enabled by you, the broadcaster, in your settings, and I'm going to show you how to get to that right now. So up in the top corner of your stream here, you're gonna click your username and go down to Creator Dashboard. We'll have another giant video on this because there's so much stuff you can do here. But for now, we're gonna make it so this guy can't view us whatsoever. So we go over here to Settings, Moderation, and we scroll down a little bit to right here, Stopped Banned Users from Viewing the Stream. So when we click that, our little turd over here has a totally different view, which completely prevents them from chatting in the stream, completely prevents them from hearing your stream, and it completely prevents them from watching your stream. They won't get any notifications telling them that you're live, and it's pretty awesome for really flushing those turds down the toilet. So while we're here and talking about bans as well, we've banned Worst Brat. However, there's another feature right here called Unban Requests. With this enabled, anybody that you ban can send you a DM or a whisper or whatever they want to call it in 10 years, asking for their ban to be revoked. Say the moderator got the wrong person and it wasn't them who was being a total turd.
Yeah, right.
They were just kind of being a wet fart. So when you have this selected, people who have been banned in your chat can request an unban. The cooldown period is the amount of time between the actual ban and when they're allowed to send the unban request. And while we're getting into it, another kind of semi-deep cut feature of Twitch is up here under suspicious user controls. If you click shared ban info, you can send a request to a fellow streamer, and you can actually share the people who the other streamer has banned with your moderators. So if there's a suspicious person going around your tight community who's a total turd in your friend's stream, but you have no idea who it is, this gives you some insight into that. So if this was helpful, I really hope I've earned a subscription from you. I'm going to be posting these videos all the time. If you have any suggestions for a beginner to medium to advanced video that you'd like to see on Twitch features, OBS features, StreamerBot, Touch Portal, but I'd love to hear from you if you need any help with your audio, maybe your camera settings, overlays, etc. This is going to start with beginners, and we're going to eventually ramp it up so that everybody has access to the best streaming quality that they can possibly produce. And it's not hard. It's not hard at all. It shouldn't be intimidating. And we're going to get everybody on a top-notch train here. Thanks for watching.